Hello there. I wanted to show you a more advanced circular saw technique. Say I wanted to cross-cut something on a bevel higher than my circular saw will go. I got a just a small one, a 6.5 circular saw. It only goes to 50. What if I want to bevel something to 65? So what I can do is set it to 25. Set my circular saw back to 0. I'm going to come across that bevel on a 90-degree angle, just like that. 25 minus 90 is 65. Let's do it. Let's check it. Look at that. This works with sheathing as well. For the sake of making this shorter, I already ripped this on a 30-degree bevel. I'm going to come back through on a 90 degrees, set to 0, and it'll give me a 60-degree bevel cut on this piece of sheathing. There you go.